everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And for those of you who have been with my channel for any length of time, you have heard that I am a trauma therapist. I work with refugees and I have worked with human trafficking survivors in the past as well. And the job I currently have is my dream job, but it is intense. And many times I talk about anxiety, depression, how to use your coping skills, making sure that not only are you paying attention to your physical needs, but also your mental and emotional needs. It is really a big part of what makes us human, what makes us compassionate, but also it's a part that we can get dragged down very easily, and it's very hard to get out of that funk, so to speak. And May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and what a better way than to do an unboxing of just a couple tools that I have. And I also have an enveloping. So I ordered this from Redbubble, which is a place that people can go and put different things that they want to sell. And these are stickers that I purchased because I want to put them on my work computer and on my case note journal. And so I didn't know what I liked, so I got two different kinds. They're the same sticker, but I didn't know if I wanted a transparent or if I wanted a white background. So what I'm going to do here is I got 5 of each. I wish they let you have 6 because they sent you this, weird, they already send this to you. It would be nice if they're like, hey, if you buy an odd number, we'll throw the even number in. Because they did that as well on these. Okay. So what is this? This is a sticker that is like, I don't know if it'll focus for me. It's like all, it's not going to want to focus. Anyway, it's a sticker that has like the main feelings inside and then the derivatives of those feelings and then the derivatives of those, and it creates this big circle. And normally you have this on a big poster if you want on a wall when you're working with clients, but I wanted to stick this on my computer right next to my little, what do you call it, mouse pad thing, because when I do case notes it will help me with, it's called affect in the case note world, which is basically emotions. So the middle says fear, anger, disgust, sad, happy, and surprise. And then if you take it further out, like we'll take this surprise, those feelings could be startled, confused, amazed, or excited. And then if you take it out further, it's shocked, dismayed, disillusioned, perplexed, astonished, awe, eager, energetic. And then they have the same for happy, the same for sad. So like sad would be guilty, abandoned, despaired, depressed, lonely, bored. Also in the sad, further out, ashamed, ignored, victimized, powerless, vulnerable, inferior, empty, abandoned, isolated, apathetic, and indifferent. So like this is your base feeling, and then these are the feelings that come out of that root. And so I was really excited. So I got some of those. I think this is, one has like a white background and then one is a transparent background, and I didn't know which one I wanted. All right, so that's that. And then the other thing I got, I haven't decided yet because it depends on how you guys feel about it. I've bought several of these before and I hand them out to my clients, and thanks to you guys for watching the videos, I used some of the channel watching funds for this, and I may do a giveaway. And these are called calming strips, and they actually help with anxiety. So they're showing here, they're a little strip, and you can stick them anywhere. So on your phone, on your computer, you could stick it like on your desk. Some people make fidgets out of them. It's a sensory item. Now, when I first ordered a bunch of these, I picked out some designs, and what I like about them is they help with grounding, not grinding, when you have those anxious, worried thoughts. So here's an example. Like I got these sunflower ones, okay? So it's got this textured feel to it. You can scratch it, you can rub it, and it helps you. Your brain can only focus on one thing at a time. And so that's why the comment or the phrase like, do you want me to like hit your toe, or I forget the exact phrase. Like if your arm hurts or something, do you want me to hammer your toe, or something like that? And it's because your brain can only handle one focal point at a time. It goes to the most survival mode, the highest pain level, or the highest sensory level. So if you're anxious inside, that's why fidgets work. That's why a lot of times we, in meetings, we're like clicking our pens, things like that, or bouncing our foot. Our brain is trying to focus and get centered. And so this calming strip really helps. Now, what I did is they just came out with a new product. So I hand these out to my high needs clients. And so I got a couple more this time. I might do a giveaway if you guys put in the comments that you like this idea. So what I did is they have a new product, and the new product, it's like a keychain, and it's a circle, not a strip. And let's see. See, I have all these little envelopes. I'm trying to figure this out. Let me hold it up to the light. I think this is the one. Oh, this is one of them. So they created a keychain, and then they created this little thing that can go on the keychain. And so now, if you don't want it on your phone, you can take this with you, and I don't know why I keep doing ever since this weekend when I was on live with Crashly. It was with Crash. I don't know. And they also had this made me think of a diamond painting, this peacock one. So these were the two kinds they had. And so I got the peacock one. I thought I'll put that on my keychain. Whoops. How awesome is that? Right? So I'll put the link to these down below. But I got an extra keychain. And so I thought for Mental Health Awareness Month, I might do a giveaway. So be on the lookout for a giveaway in an upcoming video. I am going to be doing a mental health awareness actual whip and chat, where we diamond paint together and I give kind of some coping skills and things like that. That upcoming whip and chat before the end of May, we will do a giveaway for this keychain. And you're going to get one of these because they come in a 5-pack so that you can take them on and off. They have 2. And so I bought one for me, I bought one for one of my clients, and I bought one for a giveaway. And so I will give one away along with your choice of one of the calming strips. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you my unboxing. I'm super excited to attach this to my keychain tonight. I'm going to be anxiety-free tomorrow, right? No, but at least I'll have something if I'm in a meeting or with a client that they don't even know and I'm like rubbing that thing instead of clicking my pen. It's going to be great. So I hope that you enjoyed this quick little unboxing into the other side of my life, which is therapy and giving therapy. So you guys, I hope you take care of yourself, listen to your heart, be blessed, know I love you, and until next time, bye-bye.